Okay, so this video just shows you how to get to the catalog, and that way you can see what courses you might need for your degree that you're pursuing, and some information about it. So on my AU's homepage, you're going to scroll down just a bit, and on the left-hand side under quick links, there's academic catalogs. This is going to open up a plethora of catalogs, some archived, some open, that'll just go over, important stuff. So there's like the academic calendar, general information, transfer students, all that stuff. But if you scroll down and on the left hand side, you will see programs of study. So you'll click that. Um, Once this pulls up, it'll pull up based on schools. Um, so you scroll down to the one that you need, that you're interested in, what you're pursuing, and you'll click it. Um, and it'll come to this page. This will tell you all about your degree. Um, so, for example, in this elementary education one, it tells you the mission statement of the school, some of the criteria to be in that profession, what the school expects of you as far as GPA and what you need to complete and things like that. If you like exam requirements, this is all laid out right here. You just click that and it'll pull up a PDF of what you need for the exams. If you keep scrolling, it breaks down what you need based on requirements. So, skill level, like the basic classes, um, all of that fun stuff. And then when you scroll down in these courses in purple, you can click on it and it'll open up and tell you what the class is about. Um, so you can see all of that right there. It tells you how many credit hours. Um, and then like courses that are required. And then down here, you'll see the courses that are recommended, but not necessarily required. Um, and all of that. And then down here, the outcomes of said degree. Um, and yeah, so just all right here, everything for your school will be in this one catalog, and it'll show you exactly step by step what classes you need to take. So most of you who are transferring in already have some of the basic core classes. So then you really, it just hits with these requirements here. So that's super simple. Again, you can get to this from my AU.